bouncer. Please. Can you just find me a bouncer? My former bouncer don't suck him. I'm looking for bouncer. You can just find him for me. Just only 2 days I beg. And the bouncer what be say I fit pay him 200 million per month.
Jesus
He go to sleep for my house. The bouncer wey sabi work well well. What be say he can give me a nice job one night. I said the band that can deal work very well, that can massage me. You know, say me, I they like those things now.
Jesus Christ.
Good
Are you
afternoon, yo, I'm the latest bouncer in town. AKA Ghana bouncer. Check am, outload and inload. I would have scam.
Women are scorpions. They are vampires.
Since Kizdane decided to be playing me wrongs, that's why I decided to left Kizdane
No.
and
It's
look
okay. It's
for,
okay.
yeah,
How much is your bill?
just give me 2K. But Shebi say I go dey sleep under your
And
roof.
you can sleep under my roof.
Oh, madam, yeah, you go like 800.
You strong well.
See, madam, I can do all kind of work. Guys, can't you check it?
This man.
All
I
kind
can
of
see.
work.
I'm sure that you will good for bill.
Yes, just ask Kizdane about me.
You
Ask
say just 800.
800 naira cash.
Cash. Oh, I know the sound.
Some months promo. Like
Promo.
I'll just yes.
Okay. No, Allah. Let's go to.
Which ones and come
Officer, it's okay. Don't. Jesus!
urgent. So I need my
It's
2
okay to
million
me.
naira. Yes.
Just 2 million naira.
2 million naira. I get 2 million naira.
No. You can't embarrass me like that. Me? Do you know me
I
before?
don't understand. I need my 2 million naira.
Bouncer, you need to deal with this
Who's your
man.
bouncer?
Jesus Christ.
Deal with this
You're
man.
fine. You're fine.
Jesus! Jesus!